Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, showcasing one of our apartment packages that people have inquired about. This has been around for about 4 years now. It's integral in helping people rent apartments or houses, whether you have a criminal background or bad credit, evictions. This is a whole new profile, and your background will not show up with this type of CPN package. This is the profile right here. You get a tri-merge CPN. Score is about 706. Then we add a trade line. The trade line is how we add you on a credit card, and the credit history goes on your CPN profile to give it a score. In this case, you got a capital 1. Limit's $300. It's about a year and a half old. Authorized user, revolving, perfect pay history. And this is what gives you the score to help you qualify for the apartment or house. This is the apartment package. It's $550. Takes about 2 weeks. It comes with the tri-merge CPN. You set up your EXPERIAN credit monitoring. It's all free. You get a builder manual, about 20 pages old. 20 pages in length. And then you get the trade line. It's about a year and a half old. And that's the apartment package. Comes with unlimited free consulting. Call us at 202-213-2218. Also, inquire about novelty documents, such as pay stubs, things of that nature. We have trade lines for other profiles as well. If you have a social, you want to boost the score on your personal social, we have over 300 trade lines that we have available. We could add some to your personal profile or other CPN numbers as well. So there you have it. Call us for more information. Subscribe to our channel. Again, we have a free consulting before purchase. It's 202-213-2218. Thank you.